What are you making, AJ?
I'm making
A cake?
Papa.
Wow.
I'm going to roll the ball.
What are you doing, Alandria? Looks like you're gonna be cooking some dumplings.
I'm then making a candle.
You're making a candle?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a cake with a candle on top. Wow, it's a birthday cake.
I didn't have a tail.
Oh, it has a tail. Wow,
Because it's Sonny's birthday.
it's Sunny's birthday. Where's Sunny? Get Sunny. Go get Sunny. Hey, Sunny, it's your birthday. Show me Sunny's face. Is he happy? Is Sunny happy? Let me see Sunny. Hi, Sunny. How are you? So nice to see you. All right. Sister, don't root up Sunny's cake for him. All right. Let me get a close-up on Sunny's cake. Wow. All right. So Sunny's 1 year old? Yeah? What is Sunny eating there? Wow.
I'm gonna put a bean on it.
All right.
I want
Tasty. Okay. The green makes it look tasty. Okay. All right. So what are you doing now, Alandria? Fires, candles. Okay. What is he using for his cake? What is he doing?
I use it so it can look more when it's better.
So it can look better. All right.
And hard.
All right. I'd like. Oh, I think that's too heavy. That would be too heavy too. All right. Alandra, that looks really, really nice. Pull it up so I can see it. That's your cake? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm gonna have a
AJ.
You want it louder?
I think that's loud enough. Are you a musician?
I like something.
All right. There we go. So can you play that guitar?
It's a piano too.
It has a piano. It has keys on it. Okay. Nice. Can you sing us a song? Which song can you sing?
For the toy.
Let me hear. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Awesome! Good job. All right.
I'm gonna get that big one needs copy too.
Oh, nom, 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 nom. Oh my goodness, what's that?
It's a lolly.
A lollipop? That's a big lollipop.
Look what I did. But that's not big.
That's a big one.
Look.
Yeah?
Look, it's happy birthday again. Now I'm gonna kiss it.
Oh, you squish it. Oh no.
That's why we can stand up.
Oh, thank God it's not squished.
Look at this. Look what I'm gonna put here.
Mm-hmm.
This.
What colors do you have there, AJ?
Yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Green.
Mm-hmm.
Red.
All right.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow. Red.
Okay. Which song is that? Mary Has a Little Lamb. Sing it, let me hear. Sing the song. Oh, give yourself a big clap. Good job. Nice. Super scary.
I'm gonna put some stripy lines.
Cut it in half. You're cooking tomatoes. What are you gonna eat it with? Tomatoes and strawberry. Oh. That's funny.
I'll happy birthday cake again.
Happy birthday to AJ. It's your birthday.
It's Krabby birthday.
Krabby's birthday.
Oh, I'm Krabby's birthday too.
All right.
So I made 20.
So how many cakes will you make?
One. I'm making the cubby cake going on. What?
Mm-hmm.
It's enough for it to like decorating it.
Mm-hmm.
And this is chopped up. He says happy birthday.
Uh-huh.
It was happy birthday, Joe.
Happy birthday to Krabby.
No, but that.
Happy birthday to Krabby.
No. Like, birthday to Krabby. Happy birthday to Krabby. Happy birthday to Krabby. Happy birthday to Krabby.
Like that? Okay. So sister sang it for me already.
Now say it.
Happy birthday to Krabby. Happy birthday to Krabby. Happy birthday to Krabby.
Oh, happy birthday to Krabby.
Happy birthday to Krabby.
No, not like that.
Aww.
No, like this. Happy birthday to Krabby.
Happy birthday to Krabby. Like that? Not like that?
No, that sound like your voice.
Let me try again. Happy birthday.
No, that sound like your voice.
Happy birthday to Krabby. That's it? Aw. Happy birthday to Krabby. Happy birthday to Krabby. Happy
That's
birthday.
it. Oh, Mom, you can't. No, Mom.
I can't sing it.
Because you have to happy birthday to Krabby. Happy birthday. Oh, Krabby. Because you're so late, but I don't like it.
That sound bad? Oh, I'm gonna cry. All right. So what's that?
Mary had a window one. Mary had a window to teach the light of Joe. Mary had a window she like that.
That's how I must sing? Oh, you'll have to teach me.
Okay, I teach you.
Mhm.
Now I'm gonna show you how to make a cake. You roll it first, then put it on the top.
Mhm.
See? And then make it so.
Look at that cake. That's really a cake.
Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon.